Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these really cool shapes that you saw in my thumbnail. So let's get right into it. First off, we're going to start with the ellipse tool, and by holding Shift and Alt or Option, we're going to make a circle and not an oval, right? We're going to remove the fill color. We don't need that. Hold down Alt or Option, click on your circle and drag. And we want to create this sort of moon. So select both of your circles, grab your shape builder tool, and hold down Alt or Option key, click and drag to remove these first two shapes so that we're left with this moon. Now press C on your keyboard or grab your scissors tools. You can find them here underneath the eraser tool. And we're going to cut at both corners. This way we've separated our moon into two different paths. Select both paths, click on the blend tool, and click on both paths. So click once and twice. This will create your blend. Now to edit our blend, you can just double click on the blend tool and the blend options pop up. Select specified steps and adjust the lines to however many lines you want to use. I'm going to go with 13. Now I'm going to resize this, place it wherever I want. And we're going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. Right, the transform effect will pop up. Now we're going to add a bunch of random copies for now. And a random angle. And then we're going to play around with the Move Horizontal and Vertical tool till we get our circle to align. Right, we're getting somewhere now. Okay. As you can see, this is turning into this really cool donut, or whatever you want to call that. So we're looking pretty good right now. I'm going to lessen the copies because those were too many, I think. And now we just have to figure out the perfect vertical and horizontal alignment we need. And this could be it. We're really close. Anyways, I'm going to press OK. And there's our awesome gradient shape. You can also select it, go to Object, Expand Appearance, and now you can basically change the color of your new shape to whatever color you want. So I'm going to show you. Let's add a background. We're going to right click, arrange, send to back. We're going to give our background a gradient. Let's see, I'm going to make it green. Kind of like this, right? And then going to select my new shape, and I'm gonna add a gradient to that as well. And there you go. How cool is this? Now you can make whatever type of shape you want by increasing, decreasing the size. You can make a bigger hole in the middle. You just play around with those settings and you get this really awesome stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.